This video demonstrates the Manual and Manual Plus operation modes. There are a variety of crops and terrains all over the globe. Manual and Manual Plus operations are better suited for complex and small fields. Manual operations do not require advanced field planning. They can be carried out once the drone is loaded with pesticides, offering high flexibility. However, manual operations require precise control of the height, speed, and route spacing, and extensive training is needed to meet operation requirements. Press and hold the power button to turn on the remote controller. Insert the battery and power on the aircraft. Fill liquid pesticide to the spray tank, and then press and hold the spray button for 2 seconds to remove trapped air. Verify that the satellite count is 15 or more. If RTK high precision positioning is needed, set RTK signal source to either custom network RTK or DRTK mobile station on the RTK settings screen of the remote controller. Select the manual operation mode. There are 2 types of manual spraying tasks, M and M+. Click M, set the task parameters, manually fly the Agras drone to the task area, click Start, and then press the spray button while flying forward. After reaching the boundary of the task area, stop spraying, manually turn around, and start spraying again. If manually turning around is challenging, you can click U-turn on the right of the screen. Manual Plus is a semi-auto operation mode that reduces operational requirements. In the panel on the left, click M+, set the task parameters, unlock and fly the drone to the task area, and click Start. The spraying or spreading system will automatically start. You need to manually operate the Agras drone to fly forward. When accelerating or decelerating at the boundary of a field, the spraying or spreading system will automatically adjust the flow to ensure an even spraying or spreading. When you try to make a U-turn at the boundary of the task area by steering the drone left or right, choose the direction based on the colors beside the drone on the map instead of your own left or right. C1 and C2 are for left and right lateral movement, respectively. Upon a U-turn operation, the Agras drone turns around and operates along the next flight route. In Manual Plus mode, the drone works according to the preset task parameters. When you push the stick forward, regardless of the control stick input, the drone flies at the set speed. If the drone tends to change direction when operating the stick, it is recommended to enable course lock to effectively avoid accidental touch. Once enabled, operating the yaw stick will no longer change the heading of the drone.